Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. We are going to go ahead and start our morning meeting. So let's go ahead and get started. So how are we feeling today? So let's go ahead and check our mood meter. So today I feel happy. So today I feel happy because it's Thursday. So how are you feeling today? Awesome. So let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So let's go ahead and go over the days of the week. So today is Thursday. What is today? Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The month is August. What is a month? August. So today is August, Thursday, the 20th, 2020. Let's say it together. Today is August, Thursday, 2020. The weather is sunny. So it is sunny outside. The temperature is 99 degrees. So it is going to be very hot. So remember to stay active and make sure that everybody is getting some exercise in, as we have our exercise video link that we have every single day. And for our life skills lesson, make sure that you are brushing your teeth every single day. Brush, brush, brush. We all want to have nice Colgate white teeth. So for today's agenda, it is Thursday, so we are going to be working on other, which is our IEP goals. Everybody's IEP goals are going to be looking different. Everybody has a different goal. So make sure that you complete your IEP goals, and if you have questions or need help, please contact your teacher. Let's begin.